I'm Jenna with Stahls TV and welcome to the Craft Corner. Glitter heat transfer vinyl is a huge trend in the apparel decoration industry and can be used for several markets such as spirit wear, children's apparel, and boutiques, and that's just to name a few. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to mix up those typical glitter designs that you're using now by achieving multicolor glitter artwork without cutting a bunch of glitter and layering them down piece by piece. For this video, I'm going to be using the Silhouette CAMEO, a sublimation transfer sheet, glitter flake, and our craft press. I'm going to start by sending my design to the Silhouette. Okay, so I'm going to start by loading in my white glitter flake here. I'm just going to press it up against my pinch rollers here and click load media and make sure I have that locked down. Okay, so now that that's all loaded in, I want to double check my blade just to make sure I have it on the right setting for glitter flake. I have it on at 2 and I need it to be on 4. So we'll just switch that. Okay, lock that in and I can go ahead and send my design to the Silhouette. Okay, so I'm going to start trimming out my design here. And weed away all the excess material. Make sure I have every piece out before I move on. And we're going to do the same thing with this piece also. So we can go ahead and move to the press. Okay, so I'm going to start by loading my tote bag onto my platen here. I'm just going to make sure all my seams are off to the side and that we have a nice even and flat pressure. I'm going to do a quick preheat just to release any moisture or wrinkles. Okay. Okay, so the first step is to apply our white glitter flake. So we're just going to tack this down for 5 seconds. And I'm going to grab my cover sheet. Just do a 5-second tack. Glitter flake is a hot peel, so we can go ahead and remove that carrier. And then we're going to grab our sublimation transfer sheet, and I'm going to go ahead and lay this down just like this. And we're going to be applying this at 380 degrees for 45 seconds. We want to make sure we place our cover sheet down nice and neat so that we don't move the transfer sheet. This will make sure we don't get any ghosting so that the design isn't scattered across. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure that I'm on the right time here. Right, and now I'm at 10 seconds. I'm going to move that up to 45 for the sublimation application. Okay, 380, 45 seconds. Be sure to be careful whenever you're removing it also because the heat is still on there. We want to make sure we get a nice even adhesion. Okay, so now that we have the sublimation process finished, I'm going to go ahead to the last part of my design here and drop in our name. We're going to apply this for the full application. I'm going to go ahead and grab a cover sheet, a new cover sheet, because you can see here that we have marks from the sublimation sheet. We don't want to chance this getting on our design or the heating element. Okay, so we can go ahead and place that there just because we have some heat transfer vinyl exposed. And we're just going to apply this for the full 15 seconds. Again, this is a hot peel, so we can go ahead and peel this carrier. Now we have our completed sublimated glitter flake tote bag. Using sublimation transfers is a great way to achieve full color looks while utilizing glitter flake and not necessarily needing a garment or accessory that is polyester based. This increases value to personalization and gives more of a variety to your customers when choosing what styles they want. I'm Jenna with Stahls TV, and thanks for joining me in the Craft Corner. Are you looking for more ways to use or make money with your craft cutter? Then check out StahlsTV.com, where you'll find more how-to videos and tutorials just like the one you've watched.